right, this week we are here at Monster Transmission. We got John here. We're going to check out how this place works. We're going to take a full facility tour. Let's go.
All right.
First thing we looked at inside their showroom was this split open transmission to check out the internals and ask some questions.
So the overall length is the same, but is it a little different from here, or no?
Nate would know. The 6L90s, the yokes are different. Like yes, the yokes are different.
Yeah, it's like a 36 line or something.
Yeah, and then they have a wider planetary output shaft, and the center support is wider.
So is the outside dimension?
Yes, it is.
Walking through the facility feels like touring a mix between a race shop and a high-tech lab. Monster Transmission started back in 2003 with a simple mission: build better transmissions that perform stronger and last longer than the factory units. What began as a small-town operation has grown into a major player in the drivetrain world. Today, Monster builds everything from heavy-duty truck transmissions to race-ready automatics, along with torque converters and full conversion packages.
We're videotaping all this, and I'm going to actually say your name.
Every transmission that rolls through the doors is torn down, clean, inspected, and rebuilt from the ground up. Each unit is handled by a dedicated tech from start to finish, which means real accountability and craftsmanship.
And then line it up into that build line, which we're standing by. And as the builders complete orders, they simply grab and export them.
So is this a complete transmission?
Almost. So this is obviously the core and the hard parts, but they're waiting for a lot of soft parts and any upgraded hard parts that we'll order with it. Yeah, as you can see, this one's already starting to get some stuff, but it's still waiting on a handful of things. Once it's complete, that's when it moves over.
Really?
Yeah, you see all the casting marks?
Yeah.
That's just the age of it.
So that wouldn't be used for casing, or you wouldn't clean that up?
You would clean that up,
Really?
yeah. They're, what, a couple hours down the salt is what I selected for you guys, which I figured that's with the engine that you have.
Yeah.
Yes. So these are the converter studs that go into for our dyno to be able to test them. So once we put these in, we universalize them to be able to put on there. And then we have little pilot for the clutch pilot.
Every Monster Transmission build hits the in-house dyno before it ever leaves the shop. Each unit is filled with the fluid, connected to the advanced diagnostic software, and run through every gear, including the lockup converter, to verify flawless performance. This process ensures zero leaks, smooth shifts, and no surprises once it's installed. Every transmission ships with a detailed dyno slip, proving it's been tested, tuned, and approved the Monster way.
Shift it over 3 ounces, or we'll pump it out with the pump, and then it'll go right to 3. We also quality cycle it with new fluid. All pressure, flow, and temperature to make sure that we have a hot side and a cold side. And then we also go through all the gears and we check every single gear ratio, first through fourth gear. And then we also apply the converter lockup in every single gear too, to make sure that we have a responsive on-off converter clutch applied in every single gear. So how we do it is we'll go to a 100% on-off system and check the 1-to-1 ratios. So every single time it shifts the gears, you'll see a second gear shift and then a like that.
Yep.
So all the pump cover hubs and everything, because these things are notorious for bending out. So what we do is we give them extra support on every single piece to give it better longevity and performance. And you can see kind of how there's little gaps and stuff. So it fills them in and makes sure that there's no give whatsoever on it. Balancer. We have, so the guy who actually built our converter department, he was Danny Racino.
Yeah.
He literally just retired this year.
Rows of freshly built Monster transmissions sit crated and ready to ship, each one tested and certified for performance. These units are headed to customers across the country, built to handle whatever power they throw down. As for us, we're loading up our transmission and headed back to the shop to drop it in Project Rocky. Alright, before we drop this thing in, we're going to put our low car shifter bracket on. It's very cool. It's got sleeves in the back, bolts to the rear bolts. Take out the rear bolts, put them back in, and our low car bracket is permanently mounted. After putting their 4L65E through its paces in Project Rocky, we can confidently say this company doesn't just build transmissions, they build confidence. From the first bolt to the first cruise, our new 4L65E transmission performed flawlessly. Smooth shifts, no leaks, no drama, just solid, reliable power. Check out Monster Transmission if you need a transmission in your ride.